for today, YouTubers. What Gizzy Greenfingers is doing, he's cleaning the gutters today. Trying to get as much moss off as I possibly can, and get in here and get these brushes out and give it a good clean. So these brushes are really quite good, in all honesty, because you don't get much that get trapped underneath the guttering. And then you just chuck that on the floor, because I've got a big blower and I'm just going to blow it and tidy it up, and it's all done. Now, it's hard to do this with one hand, obviously, but Gizzy Greenfingers can do anything that you put your mind to. Right. And what I'll do is I'll take this out completely. I'll have to move the ladder and then get a bit closer and clean that out a bit better. All good. So obviously when you're doing this job, you just got to be a bit careful on the old ladder. So it's got a major problem with the moss up this end. Now that's not part of my job today, it was strictly gutters, but I go above and beyond, and if you're doing the gutters you sort of need to do this anyway. But look at all that, there's a lot of crap there. There's a lot of moss, but I ain't going to get all that because I can't reach. But if I get as much as I can, when it next rains and washes all that down, I said to the client, I'll get back up here and just clean it better. The bits I can reach, obviously. Yeah. That's that done. Then after, I'll have to clean that brush and then whack it back in. It's not an awful lot of moss there, but that's sort of as much as I can reach from that area. And you want to brush all this off, and then take that out, and that can go on the floor. And then clean all that out. I need 2 hands for that, so we'll catch up later, YouTubers. As you can see, it's a very messy job indeed, but someone's got to do it, and that someone is Gizzy Greenfingers. There we have it, YouTubers. Old brush is in. All the way along there. Looking good, looking good. That's that bit done. Now back round the other side of the house. Over around the back of the house now. Clean that out best I can. God, it goes in the eyes like sand, that is. Work our way along. A lot of crap. Try and get up as far as I can along that ridge. Yeah, going well. Not falling off the ladder yet. Job's a good one. So that's how far I got so far. Got that, and then I got that ridge to do. And we got all along there, and all around the other side. But it's going well. It is going well. We've even got a bit of sun out today, which it does make a huge difference. It's been so gloomy the past few months, and it's nice for the sun to actually come out and join us. Makes doing jobs like this just that little bit more enjoyable. So I finally got to the end, and yeah, you guessed it, we got this gully to clean out again. But I won't take this brush out until I've got most of that crap out from there. So unfortunately the old sun's disappeared, so yeah, miserable. I don't know about you, but I'd say he's done a bloody good job. Now back at our yard, we've got a contraption that I can get next time I come to this client's house, where we can reach up there and clean that completely, which is good. Just got to sort that out, and it's round the back. Hello YouTubers, I suppose you're wondering how I'm getting on. Well, I'm around the back of the house now, which is good. I've done all around the sides, done the front. Got I'll show you what I got left. We got all that left, which hopefully won't take me too long. Yeah, the sun keeps popping out, but not as often as I'd like. But time to crack on. That's getting warm, that is. I can actually feel my skin burning. I do look a bit browner, if I'm honest. It's only February, March soon. Pretty knackered now. Getting a bit tedious, but sorted that out. Blow this through. It's like sand. It's hard to get out with your gloves. So I get the blower and I'll just give that a blow through. And then I clean out my brushes over in the corner, so not to make so much mess. But yeah, I've got as much of the moss off as I can, but that's all I can do really, it's all I can reach. I haven't got the proper equipment, but we are getting there. This is a really, really messy job. A lot of cleaning up to do. I've done all the gutters. Now some people might think this sort of work's crap. They go to work and they're miserable, depressed. I think, why? It shortens your life for a start, and it makes everyone else bloody miserable. I come to work full of beans, spring in my step, sun comes out. It's just nice to be outside this time of year. Need to lose a bit of weight, a bit of boobage, but it's going, it is going. Gut's gone down a bit as well. I'll get a six pack before you know it. Well, we're done. We are done. I do it for the views. Job's a good one. Hello YouTubers! So all the gutters are completed. Now my colleague's just cut this edge and I am his bitch and I am tidying it all up. He is in the background. Oh, you can't zoom in himself, isn't he? He is in the background power washing. Hopefully he gets that done in time. Yeah, busy day, but it's good to get out. He giving it a good blow. Nice wellies. Nice wellies, Jace. Nice wellies. Back to it. So that is it, YouTubers. Job is completed. Client's extremely happy. We're happy. Everyone's happy. So we're all going home. If you've enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Gizzy Green Fingers.